So Instagram and Facebook Messenger is an awesome place for you to DM people and get results. If you've been looking at making money online, okay, and you know you are a hustler, okay, you're ready to go get money online, you're ready to do whatever it takes to make money, this will be one of the most value-packed videos you've ever watched, okay, because I'm going to be sharing with you how you can use Facebook and Instagram DMs, okay, to make money up to $100 a day, as long as you know you're super motivated, as long as you know that you can go out there and get it, okay, you can do whatever it takes to make this money for yourself using affiliate marketing. All right, it's something I've done before, I've seen a lot of results with, and I'm going to be sharing with you how to do it the ninja way for you to get results for yourself. Okay, now if you are not super motivated, if you know you are not pumped up, okay, to do whatever it takes to get results, this will be very, very difficult for you, because this is actually for those people who regard themselves as winners, okay, people who are ready to do whatever it takes to get result, real result, okay, because at the end of this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can turn everything into a business and make even more money and scale from there. All right, so if this is your first time stopping by on my channel, my name is Francis Aboganye. I do videos regarding making money online and online entrepreneurship, e-marketing, e-business, and all those cool stuff. All right, so if you like videos like this one, I invite you to hit the red subscribe button, hit the bell notification icon also, that way you get a notification whenever I upload any value-packed video like this one. That way you don't miss out on anything. All right, let me know what you think about this in the comment section. And if you know you're super pumped, okay, and you're ready to go to understand how this method works and how you can crush it for 2020, okay, go ahead and smash on the thumbs up button and let me know the armies, okay, that are super excited to implement this method. All right, so go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, okay, and show your support by doing so. Now, there will be some useful links in the description of this video, so I encourage you to go down there and check out those links right there, okay? Some of those links right there will be my affiliate links, so if you want to support the channel by using my link, okay, to purchase anything, all right, I really appreciate that, okay, because some of you guys have been doing it, and I keep mentioning, I can't thank you guys enough for doing that, okay? Thank you for all of you who have been showing the support by using my affiliate links to get something, to buy tools online and all those cool stuff to help your business grow. All right, I want to say a big thank you to all of you. Okay, so share this video with your friend, okay, to give value to your friend so they can also learn how they can make money from home, because a lot of people need this at this current time. So it will be super beneficial for you to provide value to other people by sharing content or information that will be helpful to them. So go ahead and share this video with a friend, okay? It can be 1, 2, 3, or 4 of your friends, okay? Go ahead and share this content with them. That way they will appreciate what you're doing for them and they will thank you in the long run, because you're going to be learning something amazing. Now at the end of this video, you will get to understand why you really need to share this with some of your friends and all those cool stuff. So with that being said, let's dive right in and we'll be getting started right now. So like I made mention, okay, if you're a beginner hustler, okay, because this is actually not going to be like a business, but it's actually going to be something that will help you make money fast, okay, something that will give you money at hand that you can use that money for something else. Just like I made mention at the end of this video, I'll be giving you a bonus, okay, that will help you make even more money. Now, you're not going to be paying for this bonus and all those stuff, okay? It's not like those other videos you watch whereby they tell you to pay for something and all that. No, zero. You're not paying for any of the bonus I'm going to be mentioning at the end of this video, okay? So just stay to the end and watch everything step by step. So like I made mention, this is actually going to help you make at least $100 a day if you can keep up with this. All right, now if you cannot keep up with this, you are not actually going to be making money, because I've been getting a lot of messages from a lot of you guys asking me how can they actually make money online. All right, they don't have money to get started with, okay, they only have their cell phones, they don't have a computer and all that stuff, okay, internet is a problem, like electricity is a problem, and all those kind of challenges you get to face when trying to build an online business, especially if you live in a third world country. Now if you live in a first world country, you have an edge over other people because you can actually implement this and see results with this. All right, this is something I've done before to get results, sending DMs, okay, it is not that complicated, and I'll be sharing with you guys why in just a moment. So the first area we're going to be looking at right here on my computer is we're going to be looking at Offer Vault. Now Offer Vault is a platform where you can come to find affiliate offers and affiliate networks to join to promote product. All right, so you can go on this platform okay, after picking a niche and a category, first of all, you want to pick a niche, okay? It can be just like right here, they say gambling. It can be gambling, it can be sports, e-business, it can be gaming, it can be health and fitness. Just pick one category you want to go after first. Then come over to Offer Vault and look for affiliate networks and products you can promote on this platform that will give you commissions. Now, to enable you make $100 a day, what you will basically do is once you come to Offer Vault, make sure you are looking for products, okay, or offers that will be paying you, let's say $70 to like $100, okay, per sale. Make sure you're looking for offers that are paying you between $70 to $100. The reason for this is when you make 2 sales or 1 sale, you are already at $100 benchmark. That is what you want to focus your attention on. So you don't want to be promoting offers that will be paying you between $1 or $2, all right? You want to be promoting offers that will be paying you between $70 to like $100. With $70, you can, when you make 2 sales, okay, that is about $140. And with $100 affiliate commission, when you make just 1 sale, that is about $100, okay? So you can actually do this every single day, rinse and repeat the process over and over again, all right? And go out there and get this money, because the first thing you want to do is to raise money that you can use to build anything you want to build online that will be sustainable for you, all right? So going out there to make money is what you want to do. So what you want to do first after picking your niche or your industry is to come over to Offer Vault and get affiliate offers, okay? Get offers from affiliate networks that you can promote that will give you this commission. Then the next thing you want to do after joining this platform is to get your affiliate link and go over to Bitly to shorten your link, okay? This is what Bitly actually looks like, all right? So when you come over to Bitly, you can actually shorten your links right here. All right, once you create an account with Bitly, it's actually free to sign up. Create an account with Bitly so that you can track your results. That is the most important thing you want. You want to see where your traffic is coming from and where people are buying from, all right? Where you are getting the most click and all those cool stuff. But the major area you're going to be getting this traffic from is through DMs, all right? You want to focus on DMs. That is the main purpose of this particular video. You want to focus on DMs, all right? So come over to Bitly and shorten your link to make your link look neat and pretty. And it's free to do, okay? You're not paying any money to do this. Now, trust me, this particular strategy works a lot because I have done it to get results. I have done it to meet $100 a day promoting a digital product. Now, the next thing you want to decide on is if the product you're going to be promoting is going to be a physical product or a digital product. Now, this particular strategy works in these 2 particular categories. Either you're promoting a physical product or a digital product. But based on the current pandemic happening globally right now, okay, I don't advise you to promote physical products because of shipping and all those problems with custom and all that stuff, okay? Focus on digital product right now, okay? Focus on digital product that you can promote to get affiliate commission. Now, this is considered active income. This is not going to be a passive income because you're actually going out there to hustle to get this money for yourself that you can use for something else, all right? So this is what I actually did. I was actually promoting Bluehost affiliate, okay? I also have other strategies and other ways I usually promote it, but I decided to go active to make sure to test this particular strategy out and to make sure it actually works. So I go out there and DM a lot of people and give them my links. When they buy through my links, I get a commission. That is how I was able to do it, by getting 2 sales every single day, all right, non-stop. Now, we share with you guys how that was possible and how it was easy to do on the long run, because it's going to be tough at the start, but later on you build up momentum and you start getting results, okay? It's more of like a numbers game, which I will share with you in just a moment. So now that you've understand that you should promote a digital product, just for now, just leave out physical product till maybe when the pandemic and everything dies out and all that stuff. You can do this particular strategy using physical product or digital product, okay? But right now, okay, with everything happening, the crazy things happening in the world, just focus on digital product right now, okay? And make sure whatever you're promoting is giving you an affiliate commission of $70 or $60 or $100, okay? That way, when you make 1 or 2 sales, you're already at $100 benchmark. Now, when you come over to Facebook, okay, you can join different groups or different Facebook pages, okay, that you can see that they are talking about the category or the industry you have picked, and you are promoting products to solve problems in that particular industry. So the basic thing you can just do, okay, is to go after people who are saying a particular thing. So the basic thing you can just do is to go after people who have shown interest in a particular content. That is, if you're looking at a particular Facebook page, okay, and you're seeing a particular content and people are reacting to it. Let's say somebody is saying, I've actually tried this workout and I can't lose weight, okay, you know that that person wants to lose weight, so you can recommend them to a weight loss product. So what you can basically do is to send them a DM, okay? It is free to do. You don't need any magic, all right? Just send that person a DM, say hello, and build a connection within you and that person, okay? You don't have to sell right away. Build a relationship with them, provide them with some value back and forth, okay, before I'm recommending them to your link. You don't just want to throw your link at them. Build a relationship with them. You can make them like your friend. Hello, this and that. Okay, tell them stories of people who have actually seen results using a particular product or a particular strategy and all that stuff. Make sure you want to provide value of some sort to help that person out before giving them your affiliate link. The same thing happens on Instagram, okay? When you go over to Instagram is one of like the best place for DMs, and people are going to be replying to you. Now, one of the strategies I mostly talk about in terms of getting people to look at your messages on Instagram is once you send them a DM, go to their most recent post and also comment on their recent post telling them that you dropped them a DM also. That way they'll go and check out their DM and see what you're talking about. That way you're getting attention, okay? And if they find any interest, once you start building a relationship with them, you can now recommend them to your affiliate link. That way when they buy through your link, you get a commission. So Instagram and Facebook Messenger is an awesome place for you to DM people and get results. All right. All you have to do is to get a product, okay, that solves real life problem in a particular industry or in a particular category. Then go to Facebook pages or Facebook groups and join the groups right there and connect with people. On Instagram also use the hashtags, okay, to research and look for people in that particular hashtag and DM them. If you know that people are in a particular space on Instagram and they need help, okay, you can DM them and build relationships with them and provide them with solutions, all right, by recommending them to a product that you believe in, you've researched on, and a product you know can help them solve their problem, okay? This is the way you can actually get affiliate commissions to make between $100 and above every single day. Now, just like I made mention, is a numbers game, and if I pull up a calculator right here, we can just see like the first day you're doing 100 DM and you're not getting any result from it, okay, and you do this for like a week or so or 2 weeks without seeing any result, without actually making any sale, all right, once you keep this up, because you're actually building relationship with some people, so it might take a little time, okay, and once people start buying, let's say you now make your first sale, let's say you're promoting BUILDERALL, which is the premium plan on BUILDERALL, that they tend to pay you $70 per sale, all right. Now that first $70 per sale might just be like the first thing you get, but along the line, because you've built relationship with people in the past and you continue to DM new people, okay, it will start to add up over time. Let's say once you DM about 100 people, okay, you get about 2 sale, and 2 sale, all right, times $70, okay, will give you $140. Okay, that is how you can be making $100 from there onward. So as you all know, it is actually going to compound over time. Okay, this is actually going to be adding up over time. Sometime you might even get about $200 per day just doing this, because you have actually established some relationship with some people in the past, okay, by DMing them. All right, so once you keep this up over time, you begin to see results and the numbers will begin to add up and grow over time. That way you get enough money that you can use for whatever you want to do out there. All right, now for the bonus tip I actually promised you guys, for those of you who stay to the end of this video, what you can basically do is once you get this money, let's say you've made about $1,000, $2,000 to $5,000 online, just DMing people alone, then you want to take all that money and reinvest it into passive income stream and automation. Okay, you want to buy courses that will actually help you to make even more money, and also you want to reinvest it into real business, whereby building let's say starting a YouTube channel, building a blog, okay, building your online business using passive income stream. Okay, you want to focus on that particular structure, all right, to invest all that money into your online business and scale from there, because making money by just DMing people is an active income. All right, so you want to invest that money into automation and passive income streams. That way you can make money while you sleep, which is very, very important. Okay, so I want you to have this at the back of your mind. Go out there and start DMing a lot of people. DM about 100 people every single day and provide them with solutions and help them, recommend them to products and services that can help them solve their problems. By doing this, okay, at the beginning or the start of this, you might not make any money. Let's say you're doing this for like, you can set a milestone for yourself, maybe 30 days, 60 days, 90 days. But the most important thing is to go at it every single day and don't stop until you start seeing the results, because I will tell you that this actually works. And the result is not typical because different people's result might be different, okay? And depending on how much time and how much effort you put in, that will determine the output, okay? That will determine the result you are going to be getting by doing this particular strategy. So there you have it, guys. Share this video with a friend, okay, to help them make money online by just DMing people, because this is what we do on a daily basis. We tend to send messages to our friends and all that. We DM people a lot. So why don't we just use that particular DM we're doing on Instagram and on Facebook Messenger to make even real money, to make money for ourselves and grow also, okay? So this is the hustler way. This is the way you can do it, okay, to make money by DMing people. Go out there and crush it. Go out there and DM people every single time and make money for yourself and reinvest that into passive income streams of income. All right, so there you have it, guys. If you haven't already and you're watching till this time, okay, I encourage you to hit the red subscribe button, hit the bell icon so you get a notification from me whenever I upload my new videos. Give this video a like. I appreciate it a lot. Share this video with a friend and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you're going to be implementing this, let me know that in the comment section. For those of you who have done this in the past and getting results with it, let me also know that in the comment of this video. So guys, stay strong, go out there and go crush it, okay, using this amazing strategy and start seeing results with this particular method. Until next time, guys, I will see you guys in my next video.